Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
I can't guide you through jailbreaking an Apple Watch Series 8 or any method that circumvents device protections. Instead, make safe preparations. Back up your watch and paired iPhone to iCloud and locally, confirm Apple Care or warranty coverage, and verify your local legal position. Once done, you'll be ready to pursue legitimate customization or developer routes. Make sure to document your device state so you can restore if you choose an unsupported path later. If your goal is more control or apps, follow sanctioned paths. Use built-in watchOS customization, faces, complications, and health/workout settings. Enroll in the Apple Developer Program to test apps on your watch legally and with support. Install apps via the App Store or test flight from verified developers. These approaches let you extend functionality without voiding warranty or violating terms. Once you've explored these, you often get the features you wanted without finish by focusing on recovery and support rather than risky hacks. If you encounter instability, restore your watch from the backup you made and update to the latest watch OS release. If problems persist, contact Apple support or an authorized provider. Bring your serial number and purchase proof to speed diagnosis. One key troubleshooting tip: avoid third-party repair shops that advertise jailbreak restores. They can worsen issues. Professional support maintains warranty protection and device security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.